welcome back to my channel. I am Sadia, and in this video we are going to see the must do interview questions for SQL. So I have divided the questions into three parts. One is level 1, then there is level 2, and then there is level 3. So basically you need to start from level 1, and once you're done with level 1, you can go on to level 2, and once level 2 is done, you can go on to level 3. But level 1 questions are the most important ones, and they are frequently asked, but you need to do all of them. But if you want to start, you have to start with level 1. Okay, so let's see the questions one by one. So the first question, which I feel is the most important, is an SQL query to find nth highest salary. This is very important. So you can be asked to find the third highest salary or second highest salary. So you need to be prepared for this query. And then the second question is SQL query to delete duplicate rows from a table. Both the questions are, I have made a video on both of them. You all can check it out. There are 2 or 3 ways for these queries, but even if you know one or two of them, it is perfectly fine for interviews. Okay, so these are the first 2 questions. Now the third question is joins in SQL. So joins, you need to be very clear with joins in SQL. Then our fourth question is constraints in SQL. So basically all the constraints, you need to be clear with all the constraints, that is not, null, unique, check, default, primary key, foreign key, all of those. Now the fifth question is aggregate functions. So you need to also have a good understanding of aggregate functions, which is count, sum, average, min, max, all of those. Now sixth question is keys in DBMS. So basically all the keys, you need to be clear with all the keys: primary key, foreign key, composite key, super key, candidate key, secondary key, and along with what they are, you should also know the difference between the two. I have those videos on my channel, you can check it out. So basically there are questions like what is the difference between composite key and candidate key, what is the difference between primary key and secondary key, or so and so. You should know the difference between particular keys. Okay. Seventh question is what is normalization and why is it needed. A video is there for this as well, so do check it out. Now the eighth question is different types of SQL commands. So basically DDL, DML, DCL, DQL, TCL. Okay, so any of these can be asked, and you should be prepared with all of them. So basically DDL is drop, rename, create, alter, truncate. So basically to remember them, you can use the shortcut Dr. Cat. So D goes for drop, R goes for rename, C goes for create, A goes for alter, and T goes for truncate. Similarly for DML, you can remember deno, delete, insert, update. And for DCL we have grant and revoke. DQL means basically select query. TCL is comment, rollback, and save point. So you need to be clear with these as well. Now the ninth question is difference between delete, truncate, and drop. This is very important. You need to know the difference between these 3. So there is a video for this as well, so do check it out. Now the 10th question is difference between where and having. This is also a very important question. You need to be clear with it. And the 11th question is difference between group by and order by. So this is our level 1 questions. Basically these are very important, and if you are starting to prepare for your for any SQL interview, you should basically start with these questions first. Okay, so this is level 1. Now let's see level 2. So this is level 2. So the first question in level 2 is difference between char and varchar. Okay, so there is a video on it, do check it out. Now second question is difference between union and join. Third question is difference between in and exist. Okay, now the fourth question is it's basically a normal question: how to create empty table with the same structure as another table. So I have already written the answer over here. So it is basically select star into, we use into, select star into whatever new table name you have, students copy from students. So students is our original table 1, and students copy is our new table which we want to create. So basically select star into new table from old table where 1 is equal to. Basically we are going to select all of them into a new table, and we have a false condition over, because 1 is equal to 2, this is false. So basically it will have the same structure, but it will not put in the same rows in the new table. Okay, so hence we write this false condition. Fifth question is what is pattern matching in SQL. So pattern matching is basically when we use percentage wildcard plus like operator. So basically select star from students where name like and this. So basically if you want to select names of those students where the second letter of their names is K, then this is the query for it. So basically when we are writing underscore, it basically means one position is taken, and then we should have K over there, and percentage means basically anything after that, any number of characters after that. It can also be 0. So underscore K percentage. Okay. Now the sixth question is, what is union minus an intersect? Okay. So select name from students, union, select name from contacts. Basically we have two tables, one is students and one is contacts. When we write union, it means basically it will combine the rows from both the table. This is what union does. And just instead of union, when we write minus, it basically means all the records from the students table, basically all the names from the students table, okay, which are not in the contacts table, those will be printed. And when we write intersect, okay, instead of union, when we write intersect, it basically means the intersection, basically the common rows between both the tables will be printed. So that is what intersect does. Okay, now seventh question is difference between union and union all. So when we did union, so this question should also be done, which is difference between union and union all. Union means basically duplicate records will not be printed, but when you write union all, duplicate records will also be printed. So if students has a name Sadia, contacts will also has a name Sadia, union all will print Sadia twice, but union will print Sadia only once. Okay, that is the difference. Now eighth question, what is a view? So view is a virtual table. I will make another video on this as well, but for the time being you can see what is a view. So it is basically a virtual table. Okay, so there is no such table, but you are creating a virtual table which you can use to query, or for some other queries and all, you can use it. So basically what is the syntax? Create view ABC, whatever name you want to give it, as whatever rows you want. Okay, select cast name city from customers where country is equal to India. So basically it will create a new table with these columns. Okay, maybe the customers table is having a lot of columns, so we are creating a view in which only 2 columns are there which we want. So this is where views can be used. You can also create a view, and you can actually join 2 tables and create a new virtual table as a view. Okay, so this is where view is used. Now our ninth question is, what are character manipulation functions? So basically upper, lower, init cap, length, concat, these are our character manipulation functions. So this is our level 2. Now let's go on level 3. So this is our level 3. So basically 1NF, 2NF, 3NF, BCNF, these are the forms in normalization, basically different types of forms in normalization. So these are also equally important, but the reason why I have put them in level 3 is because if you start studying these first, you might just end up wasting a lot of time on it, because you might get stuck over here. So it's better you start from these questions and finish them off first, and then later on go to these questions. Okay, so these are also equally important. So that's it for the video. Thank you for watching. I hope it helped you all, and in case it helped you all, please subscribe to my channel and like, share and comment. Thank you so much.